Hello friends, today I will discuss about mergers. Mergers means any two companies or any two business is combined two or more companies into a one company. That is the merger. Concept of merger. The merger refers to combining two or more companies into one company. It can either be done by merging of one or more companies into the existing company for framing a new company by merging two or more existing company. The words amalgamation is used for merger by Income Tax Act 1961 of India. According to Companies Act 1956, the terms amalgamation includes absorption in SS Somaya Jula Visis of Pradyuman and Co. Company Limited. That is the likewise, for example, Vodafone or Idea. That is merger. Uh, Characteristics of merger: association of two or more business unit. Uh, Mergers involves association of two or more business unit in which the individual identities of all the involved entities are lost. Means two or more business units. Second, formation of new business unit. A new and larger business entity is formed by combining two or more small business units. Third, assets and liabilities. A company's assets and liabilities get authorized into the assets and liabilities of another company. Fourth, similar shareholder. The take-all of any small business unit get merged and become shareholder of the newly formed company. Issue of new stocks. New stocks are issued for a new entity and stocks of the merger companies are surrendered. 6. Similar aims and basis mergers are generally held between companies who have similar aims and basis. That can be happen when two or more companies want to combine their area of expertise in order to form a single entity with wider scope. Administrative control merger. Both the company hold control over the administration power and services which are provided to the employee and staff members. Classification of merger. Reverse merger. In the reverse merger, a profit earning company merger into a loss bearing company and the identity of profit earning company is lost. It is the opposite of ordinary merger in which the profit earning company takes over the loss earning company. Or second point was that the Income Tax Act 1961, which lets the company carry forward the losses to set up against the profit. Second, horizontal merger, that the company which are selling same product and service are combined. It is called as horizontal merger. Likewise, Vodafone or Idea, then sales, marketing, or Walmart or DMart. It also helps maintaining economic scale, marketing economies, reducing the duplication of product and services. For example, if there is a merger between two hotels, it is known as a horizontal merger, vertical merger. These types of merger occurs when the firms acquire either the upstream or downstream of another firm. That two or more companies is a line of product service. Gas production company is open a own gas agency. For example, second example is a wheat flour producing company join hands with the dealer and farmer selling wheat plants. Conglomerate merger. The merger happen between two different companies are known as a conglomerate merger. These type firms are not of same type either horizontally or vertically. For example, merger is a L&T and Voltas Limited, merger between manufacturing company and insurance company, merger between textile company and vegetable oil mill. This kind of merger is done to diversify the activity. Conjuring merger. In conjuring merger is the firm of same industry are merged but they do not have anything in common like buyer, customer or supplier, like a merger between male saloon and female saloon. For example, Prudential's acquisition of Batch and Company. Process of merger. Defining the corporate strategy. In the first step, the company defines the strategy for their various departments in the company. Implementing the corporate strategy. In the second step, the company defines the ways by which their strategy can be implemented. Target identification. If the firms find merger as the better method, then the firm should put the required efforts to choose the target firm to merge with. Valuation of the merger. In this step, the financial valuation of merger is done. So the specific cost and the premium paid by the firm for acquiring share and management control should depends on projected synergies which the merger will bring. Next of this process of next step is merger implementation. The regulation and market issues is analyzed. The merger is implemented according to the local laws. Next step is post merger integration. In the last stage of this merger, so that merger is done like selling of those assets in the target company which will be of no use to the merged firm, which is known as stripping. The various methods should be used for enhancing to merger. That merger is any two companies combine or form. Thank you.